Hi guys, Liz here. Happy Wednesday to you. How are you guys doing? Well, I'm doing great. I'm doing great because the sun is out. It is a time to rejoice and celebrate the warmth of the sun and the bright blue skies. Can you tell I've been sun deprived for weeks? Because I have. And let me tell you, for anybody who says the weather does not affect arthritis, wrong. Because last night on into this morning, I was in massive pain. Last night, I just wanted to cry. My joints were aching like crazy, especially, I don't know why, in my wrists and my fingers. And I wanted to cry this morning. I was in so much pain. I was sitting there holding my morning coffee, and it hurt just to hold the mug. And so my husband was so sweet. He made me breakfast and brought me my coffee, and he's like, just relax. And he's like, why don't you go upstairs and get a nice hot shower, and maybe that'll help. And it did. And then I had to go run some errands, and I went out, and the sun came out, and now I feel like literally 100 times better. I mean, it was so bad. So anyway, I'm just doing a happy dance over here because I'm not in pain and the sun is out. And it's time to decorate. So let's begin. So what am I doing today? What am I working on, you ask? Well, I am working on a fall floral arrangement for my basement. And this is going to be super easy peasy. Anybody can do it. No hot glue gun required, no scissors, no nothing, no styrofoam, nothing. So that makes it super easy. But what you'll need are the following. You will need a container. I got this at Ross, I believe for $12.99 over the spring or summer. But it was cheap, cheap, cheap. Oh, yes, it was, because Liz doesn't buy expensive things. Hardly ever. I do sometimes, but hardly ever. But anyway, I'm going to use this bucket. Then you will need one fern. Got this at Walmart. This was $3.99. Cheap, cheap, cheap. Then the rest of the items that you're going to see I got from Hobby Lobby. So I picked up these. Let's see. These little squiggly things. And I always bend them. This is just a tip. When I put them in my containers, I bend them like this. And then I shove them in. These are going to be going into that fern, and the fern is going to kind of act as my styrofoam. But when I bend it and put it in like this, when I release it, it pops out and holds it in place. Does that make sense? So I got 4 of these. I've got 4 of these. Now I've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wanted to add some yellow because during the fall you see a lot of the flowers go from orange and yellow and rust and all those beautiful colors, but I don't have a lot of yellow, and I wanted to get some yellow. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. You can get these at Hobby Lobby right now. And then I got 2 of these. I have 2 of these. And how many of these? 1, 2, 3, let's see, 4. 4 of these. Aren't these flowers beautiful? Look at this. Are you seeing where I'm going with this? Gorgeous, right? All right, let's throw this arrangement together. Let's not keep the suspense going any longer than we have to. You guys ready? Got my bucket, and we're gonna begin. So, remember, this is my what? It's my base. This doesn't have to be gorgeous. This is really just adding kind of like a little bit of a pop of green at the bottom. And again, this is my base. This is going to act as my styrofoam, if that helps. But you kind of want to just get some of these little green pieces to look pretty around the sides. Okay, that's it. And now I've got these. Okay, so remember what I said. bend these because these are really long. And when you shove them down into the fern, once you do that, it kind of pops open and kind of holds it in place. And so when you start filling in with other florals, you know, they all kind of like intertwine and they stay put. So here we go. There's one. Two. Three. Four. If I wanted to, I could just leave it like this. It looks very fall-ish, and I think it's really cute. Actually, a big pumpkin would be really cute, kind of with this sitting in the middle with this kind of cascading over. But we're not doing that this time. We're going to make this better. So now I'm going to go in with my tall orange flowers. You see where I'm going with this? Hold on, I gotta pull some of these down. So I like the little pops of green. Okay. Pretty flowers, and this, let's see, I've got, how many of these? I have 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, my method to the madness is I put 2 on the sides, 2 on, I'm sorry, 1 on this side, 1 on this side, 1 in the front, 1 in the back, so that it creates harmony. No, I'm just kidding. So it makes it look full all the way around. I'm being silly. Yes, I am. All right, now we're going to go in with these gorgeous orange and yellow flowers, and we're almost done. So there's one there. One there. Oh my gosh, am I loving this. Check this out. Look how pretty this is. Guys, this took me no time at all. Whoops. Is that not super, super pretty? So I'm going to be pairing this in the basement next to this cute twig pumpkin because it picks up the orange and the gold and the greens. See how cute they are together? So this will sit next to this bucket. Love, love, love. Okay, I have a couple things to share with you guys. Are any of you guys like me where you live to go to Walmart to get their fall plate collection every autumn? I do. I've been doing it since probably 2003. And I always jet over there to get their cute little fall coffee mugs and plates because they do a really good job with their little plate collections. And our Walmart has been dragging their feet. And I go in there every week and I'm like, hello, excuse me, where are the fall plates? Oh, we don't have them out yet. Well, why not? You know, the shipment hasn't come in every week. I've been asking. I go in there today, don't ask anybody, and there they are. Just, you could tell they must have just been putting them out because there really wasn't that many. But check it out. I got all of these. And this is what they look like. Aren't those cute? I love them. When I do my dining room, possibly tomorrow, these are going to go on the dining room table, so I can't wait for that. Okay, so I also have a few more things to share. Remember my 4-foot cashmere tree that I did in my sunroom? I got another one for the dining room. We have a bay window, and I thought, how cute would that 4-foot tree be sitting in the center of that window on a table, so that when people drive by at night, they see the little sparkle of orange lights in the window. Perfect for fall. So I don't have the box. I left it out in the garage, but I'm going to do that. And then for Halloween, I got this. I thought this was super cute. It says Happy Halloween. And I love the little tassels. Hey, I could hang it on the Addams Family hutch door handles. I don't know. And I got these little Halloween tassel garland. I got 2 of them. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Oh. They had 2 different kinds. They had the little ball ones and the tassels. But I don't know why I thought the tassels might be cute. So I got those. And then for my tree, my autumn tree that I'm going to do in here, I love that ribbon so much in the other room, guys. So I got this plaidish looking ribbon with this leaf ribbon. And I'm going to put these 2 together. And then I got a whole bunch of these. I think I have some Halloween ornaments down in my store. And I'm not sure if I'm going to put those out yet, but I thought I could put these all over the tree. Sparkly and blingy. So, oh my gosh, I just got another idea. Yes, I did. Well, if I have extras, I've got another idea that's going to be adorable. So, and then I don't have my other bag here, but I got some cute little ornaments for the tree. So, anyway, that's it for today, guys. I'm just in a great mood because I'm no longer in pain. I got a little floral arrangement done, got some grocery shopping done, and I'm going to make a super good keto dinner tonight. And then I'm going to kick back and put my feet up on the ottoman and watch a good movie. Sounds like fun to me. All right, guys, hope you're having a great day like I am, and I will see you probably tomorrow. We'll see.